Absolute value. More than just a number's distance. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential math concept: absolute value. This topic isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding their inherent distance and magnitude. Don't worry if that sounds a bit complicated now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp on it. Absolute value refers to the distance a number is from zero on the number line, regardless of its sign. Visually, it's how far away a number is from the 0 point. It's always non-negative. The symbol for absolute value is two vertical bars surrounding a number, like this. X. For example, 5 equals 5, because 5 is 5 units away from 0. Minus 5 equals 5, because minus 5 is also 5 units away from 0, but in the opposite direction. Remember, it's not about the direction, positive or negative, but about the distance from 0. In math problems, the absolute value has many applications. 1. Comparing distances. If you want to compare how far two numbers are from 0, their absolute values can help. 2. Real-life context. Think about temperatures. If you're comparing how cold 2 days were and one day was minus 10 degrees Celsius and another was 5 degrees Celsius, which was colder? The absolute value helps in understanding the magnitude of coldness. 3. Solving equations. Sometimes, equations have absolute values in them, and understanding how they work is essential for finding the right solution. While working with absolute values, learners often make a few common mistakes. 1. Mistaking direction for magnitude. Remember, minus 3 isn't minus 3. It's 3. The absolute value is always non-negative. 2. Operations inside the bars. Always perform any arithmetic operations inside the absolute value bars before calculating the absolute value. For instance, 7 to 10 isn't minus 3. It's 3. Absolute value is a fundamental concept in mathematics, especially when we talk about the ACT math section. It might seem tricky at first, but remember, it's all about the distance from 0. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll become second nature to you. I hope this video clarified the concept for you. Happy studying, and see you next time.